Experiencing internet issues on your consumer cellular phone? Let's get you back online. The most common culprits are incorrect APN settings, Wi-Fi problems, or cellular data issues. Since Consumer Cellular uses AT&T's network, these are the areas we'll focus on. We'll cover practical steps to diagnose and fix these problems, helping you restore your internet connection quickly. First, we will be covering APN settings. Then we will look into Wi-Fi and cellular connection issues. Remember to follow along with the video and pause when needed. First, APN settings. These settings connect your phone to Consumer Cellular's data network. For the correct APN settings, make sure your APN is set to name Consumer Cellular, APN, CC data, MMSC, ht/mmsc.mobile.at.net, MMS proxy, proxy.mobile.ad.net, MS port 80. For Wi-Fi issues, ensure you're connected to the correct network, the signal strength is good, and the router is functioning properly. Try restarting your router or forgetting and reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network on your phone. If that doesn't work, ensure that your password is correct and up to date. For cellular data issues, confirm that cellular data is enabled in your phone's settings and that you haven't exceeded your data plan. Also, check your signal strength. If it's weak, move to an area with better coverage. If all else fails, restarting your phone can often resolve temporary glitches. If problems continue, contact customer support.